everybody. My name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we're going to be doing a dessert. It's a fruit torte filled with pastry cream, topped with fresh cut fruit, and it's all inside a shortbread cookie crust that's lined with chocolate. Sounds yummy, huh? It is. It's really, really yummy. And it's super easy. You're gonna love it. And we're gonna do that today. So, have you got all your ingredients together? I've got mine. And like I always say, let's get cooking. Okay, we are ready now to make our shortbread, and we're going to put everything into one pan. It's a cup of flour plus 2 tablespoons, our sugar, our butter. Okay, so we have incorporated this all together. And we have prepared the pan that whatever pan you want to make your crust in. They make really fancy torte shell with a real fancy little crust. I happen to like to use this because I like to put a lot of stuff on mine. So, this is what it looks like. And we are going to just put this in our shell. So once you get this all pretty much even, we're going to poke it all over with a fork and put it in the oven. Until it's lightly brown. It takes about 12 to 15 minutes is all it takes. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to make the filling or the custard. So I have all of my ingredients all measured and laid out. My sugar, my egg yolks, my cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of butter. And what we're going to do is we are going to put our egg yolks into our mixer. If you want to hand whisk this, you can. I love my mixer. Then we're going to add our sugar. And we are going to whisk this until it's about double the size it was when we first put it into the pan. So it will get very fluffy. Okay, so we have incorporated half of our milk mixture into our custard. to be, and we are going to pour the rest of it into what is there of the hot milk. And by doing that slowly, we do not have eggs. Scrambled anyway. All right. Now we're going to take this back over to the stove and we're going to continue to cook it for a little bit. We're going to bring this back to a boil. Then once it boils, we'll remove it from the heat, add our butter, stir it all in. Then we're going to take a piece of saran wrap, cover it up, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so we have our custard has been brought back to a boil. It got very thick very fast. Please make sure you keep that whisk handy. You don't want it to turn into a big blob of blob. So, and remove it as soon as it brings to a boil. Then we're going to put, that is our custard. And the way we do this with saran wrap is, you're not going to cover it on the top. You're actually going to cover it, but you're going to put the saran wrap on the custard. So it's like this. Like that. And then we put that in the refrigerator to cool off. Here's our crust all ready. Chocolate's all cooled. Here's our pastry. Cream. And there we go. There's our dessert all done. And thank you very much for coming and spending time with me in the kitchen. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep cooking. Bye.